Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video, just a quick look at a very cool keyboard from Microsoft. This is actually going to become my very compact, portable keyboard of choice in my everyday carry, and also hooking up to multiple devices. This is the foldable keyboard. This is a Bluetooth keyboard. Now it does say Windows 10 on it, but you can also, as you can see, use it down here for Windows, iPad, iPhone. So you're going to have multiple things you can connect this to use it. Now, also if you're a Surface user, you can actually use this instead of the touch keypad, you know, that comes with, but you know, you got options. But one touch switching between your tablet and smartphone, so pretty cool. You can actually switch between the devices that you've got this paired to. And as you can see, it's spill resistant, key set fabric, protect against accidents. So let's go ahead, and this is actually rechargeable. Battery provides up to 3 months of use on a single charge. That's what it says. So let's go ahead and open this up, get it connected to a couple devices, and test it out. Look at that. Look how small that is. Beautiful. Got a little charge cable. Got some instructions. Stuck in there pretty good. And that's really it. All it's in the box. And you can see, it turns on automatically when you fold it open, and you can see here 3 seconds to pair and connect. Pretty smooth. Nice little box too. Alright, let's take a look at the actual keyboard. Now supposedly this will actually turn it on when I unfold it. There you go, look at that. Got half of your left hand, half of your right hand. This gap that bothers you, it may not be the keyboard for you, but there is a little gap in between the keyboard, so you know, splits it right down the middle, 50-50. But overall, see the little keys. Now I'm gonna have to try to type on this just to see how it feels and let you know. So let's go ahead, get it charged up, get it set up to a couple different devices, and see how this works, and we'll be right back. Alright guys, welcome back. So we have the keyboard here all charged up. I have a Surface Pro 3 here and an iPad Pro here. I have them paired, so right now if I hit enter, you can see over here on the Surface, let's go ahead and zoom in. Let me type something on the keyboard. I'm just going to type typing test. You can see it's coming over here. Alright, so let me go ahead and now zoom onto the iPad, and you're going to see how quickly this will switch. I'm going to go back to device 1, and now I'm typing over here. Just like that. Back and forth with a click of a button on this keypad. Now, it's a little bit different with this little gap in here. This is throwing me off a little bit. It's just going to take a little bit of getting used to, but otherwise, it works really well. You simply unfold it, it powers up, it's going to pair automatically to your devices, and like I said, it can be paired to 2 things at once. So let's go ahead and I'll bring this up. So basically, to switch back and forth, you just hit device 1, which is my iPad, device 2 is my Surface Pro, and it'll automatically bounce back and forth. Now conspicuously, there is no Windows key, which I was looking for, on this keyboard. So it does have an OS key over here, so if you see that, it says OS, and that'll allow you to toggle between Windows, Android, iPad, iPhone, as you can see right there. But other than that, there is a home key right there that kind of maybe acts like a Windows key. So if I hit home here, I'll zoom out now, you can see the iPad actually went to the home. Now let's go ahead and switch over to the Surface and hit home and see what we get. Not a lot. Really doesn't do anything in Windows world. Let me get out of the text here. Nope. So I found the lack of a Windows key. Kind of miss it because now I have to definitely go use the mouse a little more and go down here and get to the start and the windows down here in the corner. I do used to use the hotkeys like the Windows L, Windows R, all the different combinations of the Windows key there was. I'm lacking that use with this keyboard, so that's a little bit of a downer. But overall, I fold this up, put it in my bag to travel, and it's off. Just automatically, it's off. I unfold it. Maybe you can see it. It really is a pretty good seal there. This is where you actually charge it. So I unfold it. This little light will come on over here, right there. Lay it down, and it starts to pair up. And if I hit like device 1, go into notes, I'm already paired up and I'm typing over here, as you can see. So overall, it's a pretty darn cool keyboard, just for the simple matter that it's so portable and it does multiple devices. I am pretty happy with it. Gonna take a little, like I said, the only two negatives I can come out with is the little gap between the keyboard, but you're gonna have that in a foldable keyboard, that's expected. But then the lack of a Windows key is throwing me off just a little bit too. So other than that, definitely worth it. Check it out. I'll have a link in the show notes. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and as always guys, thanks for watching and have a good one.